Oh no. Hi everyone, this is a bit of a different video. I'm filming the intro at the end. So basically, I am at Swinley Forest and I wanted to take my bike out on the mountain biking track because all I've been doing is road stuff and it is a mountain bike. So I was looking at the green trail, which is easy, it's recommended, and then I was looking at the blue trail, which is probably not the best for me because I've never done any trails before. So I walked up the blue trail, saw a couple of guys, that's where I met John. Let's cut a long story short, his father-in-law very kindly lent me his helmet, thank you very much for that, and we went on this wicked little run. My first time ever, I loved it, I almost crashed, yeah, it was great. But if you enjoy the content, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. This is fun, but I am crapping my pants. Just getting used to this bike how it turns.
Use the berms. That's high up the berms.
Use the
berms. The berms are the curved bits. That.
Yeah.
Just hit them and they'll guide you round.
Right.
Rather than trying to cut and stay on the track, come up on the bank more.
Oh, okay, because I'm just going to go straight over it.
Yeah, no, it'll help. It'll slow your speed down and it'll help guide you.
Yeah.
Guide you around. That's what they're there for. If you've got your finger on the back brake, you're going to be fine.
Yeah.
And sit back on that back wheel. You'll see some of the experts when they go down like real steep. They're literally on the back tyre.
Yeah.
And you've just got so much control.
Oh, that was wicked. Oh, get my pedal. Oh. Oh no, that was a near miss. That was a very near miss. Let's go. I almost went flying off the edge there. That was funny. Oh, this is so cool, man.